Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Geetanjali from Bayan Times. Hyderabad rains. KTR faces public anger. Like never before, Hyderabad has witnessed huge rainfall in the last 24 hours, and still in many parts of the city, the water is yet to get cleared. The rescue operations are going on with disaster relief teams and police force at place. Telangana Municipal Administration Minister KTR, along with Ministers Talasani and Mahmood Ali and MLA Sudhir Reddy, visited a few places. At LB Nagar, KTR and co faced backlash from the public. Many people gathered around KTR to list out their problems. However, the police prevented them, and this has turned into a protest. The public demanded a permanent solution in 2 days and added that they were lying in water for 2 days. Outraged public started shouting KCR down down and KTR down down. For some time, the situation was tense, and so KTR left the place quietly. But the public continued their protest for a while and later calmed down. KCR asked power staff not to rest till power is restored completely. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao on Wednesday directed the staff and officers of the power utilities in the state not to rest till power supply was completely restored in the state. He appreciated their immediate response to heavy rains in the state and for taking up restoration works in adverse weather conditions. In a meeting with officials of THNCO and TS Transco at Pragati Bhavan here, the Chief Minister observed that the Electricity Department was on high alert in the wake of heavy rains and flash floods across the state. He also wanted them to caution people with regard to electricity in inundated areas. 3,892 fresh COVID-19 cases, 28 deaths in Andhra Pradesh. 3,892 fresh COVID-19 cases were reported in Andhra Pradesh on Wednesday as the aggregate went up to 7,67,465. The number of active cases came down to 41,669.67. 72 lakh sample test. The overall infection positivity rate stood at 11.33% in the state. Khammam collector tells officials to assess crop loss. The district collector R.V. Karnan directed Revenue, Agriculture and Irrigation Department officials to take up survey to assess losses caused by the heavy rain and submit a detailed report at the earliest. He visited several villages affected by rains in Tallada, Kallur, Penniballi and Satupalli mandals in the district on Wednesday. The collector inspected the damaged roads and standing crops along with the local officials. Modi calls up KCR, assures all help to Telangana. Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke with Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao over phone on Wednesday and inquired about the situation in the state due to the heavy rains. He assured of all support and assistance from the centre in the rescue and relief work. My thoughts are with those affected by the heavy rains, Modi tweeted. Jagan made revenge attacks on the judiciary, said Chandrababu. TDP President N. Chandrababu Naidu said that the country had never seen before the kind of defamatory remarks and social media posts being placed against the judges in Andhra Pradesh. Naidu said Jagan Reddy in 16 charge seats. Unfortunately, the main accused were writing letters to the judges. Lalu Prasad Yadav, Jayalalitha, Madhu Koda, Om Prakash Chautala, Sibu Soren and others never made revenge attacks on the judiciary, but Jagan Reddy resorted to new practice. The TDP chief said that the daily trials of the cases were taken up against 4,500 elected leaders across the country now. Jagan Reddy was showing great worry as if these daily trials were taken up only in his cases. 10 killed in rain havoc in Andhra Pradesh. 10 people were killed in rain-related incidents across Andhra Pradesh following torrential downpour in the last 48 hours. The government said heavy rains continued to pound the state, causing damage to roads and disrupting power supply in several places. For the second time in less than 20 days, River Krishna remained swollen on Wednesday as it received a heavy flood due to rainfall over the last couple of days. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy held a high-level meeting here and reviewed the situation. The CMO said in a release that 10 people died in rain-related incidents in the state in the last 2 days. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share and subscribe Bayan Times.